Well, hello there, Rod Elmore here, and welcome to another great episode of the Rod Elmore Show. Today we're going to be cooking pork chop. So how I prepare my pork chop is I took it out the refrigerator and I let it get down to room temperature. I soaked it in baking soda. What that does is that neutralizes the meat, so it brings the alkaline level down. So when heat hits it, it doesn't go wow, it doesn't draw up. Because I don't like tough meat. If you like tough meat, then this is definitely not the video for you. But if you like tender meat, that's what I do. So I've set my grill, before that. So I rubbed my meat in, I rubbed olive oil on it, then I seasoned it. You can season it with whatever you want. Whatever you want. If you just like salt, pepper, and garlic, which is the basis of all my meats, but if you want to use something crazy like, I don't know, there's this, anyway, use whatever seasoning you want to use. I like Weber's, so I sprinkle some of that on it. Got the grill heated to 225 degrees. We're going to throw these on. With your thermometer to make sure it's at 145 degrees. So it's, depending on the thickness of your pork chop, it will take about between 60 to 90 minutes for your pork chop to be fully cooked. But this handy dandy thermometer, yep, at 145 degrees will tell you that, oh, my pork chop is done for everyone to consume. I like to spray it down with some apple juice. Yes, in the course of its cooking. I like to just open it up and I like to soak it. I get a spray bottle and I soak it with apple juice because it just tastes so good with that apple juice cooked into it. But anyway, I can't wait to see how this turns out. And I know you can't either. Alright, so our meat has been in for about 20-30 minutes or so. So I'm gonna give it a shot of this apple juice. I don't know if you can see, but I also put some pepper in there. Oh, look at there. Yep, I just put some pepper in there. Some, I don't even know if these are jalapenos or what. I don't know, but I put some pepper in there because I wanted to cook them on the grill, give them that smoky flavor. Why not? We'll just spray them down with some apple juice too. See how that turns out. Oh boy, I'm excited. I think we're at the right moment to check temperature. Oh man, I'm excited. Let me show you what this looks like. Don't that look tasty? I know, right? I'm so excited. I can't wait to just dig into it. All right, so I'm gonna get this off the grill. I'm gonna plate it up. I'll cut into it. Let you see the final product. You excited? Because I am. If you're not excited, you should be, because I'm excited. Whoa! So now what we all have been waiting for, the final product. Okay, I tried. Look at that there. It's nice and tender. Some good meat, good pork chop, good pork chop. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that like button so you're notified every time I upload a video. Leave a comment in the bottom. Tell me what you like best about the video. Anything. Come on, people, talk to me. I like to talk to you, so talk to me so we can have a conversation. Anyway, smash that like button and hit that bell. Select all. So you are notified once again every time I upload a new video. Well folks, it was great cooking with you. Let me know how your meal turned out. Until next time, stay classy.